Hi friends, today's our project is about smart notice board using Node MCU. Here we take a display of 16 into 2 display. We are connecting I2C converter with 16 into 2 display and serial connection, and ground is connected to the ground of the Node MCU, and VCC of I2C is connected to 5 volts Vin, and SDA serial data is connected to D2 pin of Node MCU, and SCL serial clock is connected to D1. These are the connections. By using Arduino IDE, we dump the code into the Node MCU. This is the code of the code. When we dump the code, we will get an interface like waiting for connection, and after getting the Wi-Fi connection, it will be connected to that. By using Google Sheets, we are displaying the data in Node MCU in display. After going to the Google Sheets, take a sheet and extensions, add script. By entering the script, you will get a option like deploy the script, new deployment, and everyone just deploy the code. After deploying, you will get a deployment ID. Copy the deployment ID and enter in the program which we have been written in Arduino IDE and paste it in here. After entering this, dump the code into Node MCU and go to your sheets. Enter whichever data you want to type here. For example, I want to type ESD project. And enter. After some couple of seconds, you will get to display the output here. Here we entered the ESD project and we got the output on the display.